Welcome. If you've ever noticed your microphone volume on Discord suddenly changing all by itself, you're not alone. That's thanks to a feature called Automatic Gain Control, or AGC. While it's designed to keep your voice at a steady level, it can sometimes make your audio sound inconsistent or unnatural, especially if you prefer to control your own mic volume. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off automatic gain control on Discord Mobile, so you can take back control of your audio. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen for your profile icon. Tap on it to open your user settings. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Voice. Go ahead and tap on Voice to enter your voice settings. Inside the voice settings, scroll down until you reach a section called Voice Processing. This is where Discord manages features that affect your microphone's sound quality. Look for the option labeled Automatic Gain Control. By default, this is usually switched on. To disable it, simply tap the toggle next to Automatic Gain Control. When the switch turns gray, you've successfully turned it off. That's all there is to it. With automatic gain control disabled, your microphone volume will stay exactly where you set it, giving you more consistent and predictable audio during your Discord calls. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your friends or anyone else who wants better control over their Discord audio. Enjoy your improved voice chats, and see you next time.